I'm a girl like you in the money for tonight. And on the night. Because tonight will be the night that I get more from you. Every day, don't let me change my mind. I want to see
Naku! Dami!
Naku,
Tama.
nandyan pa kayo.
Kunin nila, no? I-hire nila.
Naku, mga aso.
Kunin mo pa din, Jack?
May nauna na.
Naku.
Na-hire na nila.
Shit, we're dead.
Wala kami isuman, mayroon kami suman. Pa-deliver mo kay Superman, kay Batman, Superman. Ang mga ano man yan, patch na yan. Pati sa lahat kalaban, Crystal sinababalakan. Bakit, sir? Binabaril. Babaril mo ako, babaril. Babaril mo ako, babaril na. Okay. Pili. Pili. Okay, pili. Jack, dami pong food dito.
I did. First? Think first?
Sino po kay Sema?
100, yeah.
Anong skin?
I don't know that skin. Bago sa
Ano? Black?
Hindi ko
Ganto?
kilala.
Ganto sinasuot ko?
No. I just don't know.
Black ba siya?
Hindi ko talaga kilala. I don't know. I
What
haven't seen
color
it.
ba? What color?
It's like, I don't know, it's like t-shirt with, wait, t-shirt with something.
Sige, abangan ko. Si Jack, share po kayo ni Mama.
Nang?
Ayun po. Hindi lang naman din po si Mama.
There, oh, you can have the rest.
Wala na yan, Ma.
Wala na, kinuha ko na lahat.
Meron pa, but I don't need it. Meron pa, oh. I don't need
Tara, ma.
I don't have any bullet.
Anong bullet? What bullet are you finding?
I don't have any bullet.
Ma, come with me. Libre kita. I have Dilbit. Come here. Ma, tara.
Oh, wait. I see.
I dropped it. Tara. Kay Jackson, niya na lang po. Dito po ako.
Sa Maida shop.
Dito lang po sa mountain. Yung shop po ni Midas doon po sa kaliwa. Gusto mo ganito, meeting? Or gusto mo yun nandito?
I don't
Ano ako?
like that.
Wala yung meeting. Ayun o! Ayun o, ang ganda o! Eto,
That's a rocket launcher.
yan, maganda yan. Tingnan mo. Ayun yan, wait lang. Ayun na.
But there's no bullets.
I gave you.
Ooh,
Ma!
look at that.
I gave you. Ma, tingnan mo, pasabugin mo isang beses. Yung rocket.
No, I don't. I only have 7 bullets, sayang.
Hindi, I'll give you more. I'll give you more.
Hindi, mamaya na when we find
Hindi,
something. Sayang I don't wanna waste it.
I just want you to see why it's better than mine does.
Mamaya na. Sayang.
Na.
Mamaya na nga, sayang loot. Ayoko masayang.
Nabuhay na naranasan. Hey, Jack. Ay, gusto po ba kayo?
Na.
Oh my! Skillet loadout. Get a sticky grenade launcher, mammoth pistol, knee, copper jug, and 2 bones. Bones.
Who's that?
The hell is a boon?
Is it you?
Yan, sa atin Jack's door. Tara na. You wanna drive my car?
Uy, bitaw! Tumatakbo dito!
Saan?
Meron ka nakita?
Dito? Ay, dyan pa eh.
Kill her.
Bakit na-damage pa ako ng 50?
Wait, what's the partner? Siya lang yun eh.
Wala. Kasi lang.
Wala siya partner. Sure pa.
Yeah.
Maybe he was trying to reboot.
Tunay na buhay naranasan. Hello.
Somebody already went this. Oh, right here! Oh, somebody's right here! Right here,
Ako
right here.
takot.
That was funny.
Pre.
Oh shit, somebody else is shooting you.
That's not the
Yeah, look at that. I want the gloves, I want the gloves. Jack, do you want this?
Kinuha na ni Ate Jack yung gold.
You want this? I don't need gold. I'm full on gold.
Antayin natin si Ate Jack mag-gold.
Uy, ano pala eh? Go splash yourself first. You can use it to splash the car pala eh. Splash the car, sayang. So be full. It worked then.
Wait lang, Ate Jack, lapit ka po dito.
Ay,
Malapit ka na Ate Jack.
ay, cool ah. Makes the car better. Ay, may nag-reboot.
Diyan, that's the flower. That's a flower temple.
Switch cars. Go ahead, use that car. I'll use mine. There's a, here, piñata. gold.
shouldn't,
I already
you
have
shouldn't
full
have
gold.
said that.
I need bullet.
Sorry. Paswitch lang tayo. That's not damaged eh. Yeah, flush it with holy water. Nice. Go. There, go to the inner part. But don't go to Ate Jack. She's out of the circle.
There's a lot of piñata here. Piñata.
Lahat kayo, patay. Ma, kuha mo bullets dito. Madami. Di ba gusto ma? Ma? Dami talaga dito. Unti na lang. Wala na talaga kumukuha din. Hindi ako. Ma, dito pa sa likod ko. Pinatay ko din.
What?
So, may amaw pa dito. Ma,
Hold on.
Ate Jack, di ba kailan kanya ng gold? Dalhin po kita sa San Michael.
Wag na. Wag na.
Ma, which one do you like better? The McLaren or your Ram car?
Of course, my round.
Tama. Which one do you like more? The McLaren or your
I already answered you. I like
No.
my car.
No, not the Ram. The other skin of this car.
What do you mean?
Algebraic. Schmozo now. Schmozo.
Dito sa to, dito si Mike.
Oh, there's a lot of chests here. A lot of gold if you need gold.
Sige. Patay ka ngayon. Junjun. Bakit ka masama, Junjun? Bakit ka pinabaril? Tunay na buhay na saan. Aibo! Tira. Dito, Jack, may hire po kayo. Putukan ka ngayon. Putukan ka sa likod. Patay. Pili ka. Tatawagan kita na walis. Tsaka tatawagan din kita niyan. Ay. Wala. Hindi ko makakapili. Sorry. Ayun lang, kinuha na nila yung meeting ko dyan. Ayun lang, kinuha din yung meeting na bruto. Brutus. Ay, wag Brutus. Ayaw ko yan. Ay, close out. Route out. Ay, ba?
You hired Brutus?
Me.
You got it. Somebody rebooted. Somebody rebooted so near.
Sa papa namin ni Ate Jack.
Somebody rebooted so near. Oh!
Kilala ko yan. Ako, patungan ka sa likod.
Ah, it's right here!
Patay ka ngayon.
We got mythic! I'm trying to run away.
Sila yata yun. Yung pili ng... Ay, ma, medallion yan eh.
Oh, that's the one.
Kailangan
Oh
mo
my
basta.
god.
Kailangan mo basta.
She flew down. There it is.
O, sige, full box? Full box? Okay, labas ka. Labas ka, mapuputokan ka. Sige, ito dito. Sarap no.
Meron sa likod.
Ang ganda ng mga mate ng Diyos.
Meron sa likod.
Ano, gusto mo yung cypher?
Meron dalawa.
Aray!
Sa likod.
Aray lang. Diyan mo. Ang kulit niya no. Pa, sa taas mo! Sa likod mo! Dito! Ayan o! Andun! Dito! Kaya yan! Ayan! Galing! Mama, tulungan mo ko! Dito lang. Ay, lakas na ko.
Hey, open the door!
Patay ako.
Idak na lang. Lang po ba? Balik po ako sa inyo. Jack po, balik po ba ako sa inyo?
God.
Tapusin mo na.
Yeah, just kill it! God.
Focus kayo dun nasa store. May sinabi lang may tao sa likod. May tao sa likod.
Wait for the storm.
Nasa loob siya ng circle. Heal.
Sa baba. Sa baba. But yeah, there's another one at the bottom of you is white. See if you're healed,
Wait,
go there. No fighting.
I'm not gonna waste my medkit. I know I'm gonna need this.
Yan, fire.
Sa campfire.
Hurry.
Dito pa naman pupunta yung storm sa akin. Kaya mapipilitan sila pumunta sa akin.
Behind you.
Fire lang yun, kumatakot.
Nago muna i-push. Meron pang isang walang ka-teammate dyan.
Storm po, Jack.
Baka makita ka.
Ayan. Kung nagpapanik ka, huwag mo na lang sabihin sa akin dahil baka ako magpanik. Magpapanik ka, sa'yo na.
Sige, reboot mo kami. Reboot mo kami while they're fighting. It's right there, Xavier.
Oh,
You don't need gonna get her ano, you can buy us. Diba? Thank you.
Ala, pupush nila ako eh.
Wala na.
Nah, that's it. They killed the other one.
Okay.
That was the same again.
200
Nice.
tayo.
Huwag mo na push eh.
Don't do that one. Do the next one. So let him heal him.
Inihil niya na. Pinuntahan niya.
Hinihil niya.
Kanan.
Right.
Nice.
Unahin muna kita.
Sir, may isa pang team.
No, wala na. Kakakampi yan.
Oh, okay.
Dinidistract na yan. Yan, okay. 1v1 na. Except na lang hindi niyang ihil yung isa. Baka ihil yung isa.
Tejak. Di yun.
Ha?
Di pa yung mag-
Ayan.
Yan!
I
Why
told
not?
you. Nahil niya ata isa eh.
Nahil niya yung isa.
I told you, oo nga. Dinidistract ka lang ng kanina. Oh my god! Nice! Nice! Nice!
Di ko ma-edit. Di ko talaga